This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the app and confirming permissions so it can access your camera and images. Frame the text clearly. Good lighting reduces recognition errors. Tap the language pair at the top to set source and target. This ensures the engine knows what to look for. Once done, select Live Camera or Import Photo, because live capture and photo import use slightly different recognition modes. Pick the one that matches your situation before you proceed to scanning. Aim the camera steadily and let the app autofocus. Short presses freeze frames for more precise capture. If using a photo, crop closely around the text and rotate so lines are horizontal. OCR works best on straight, high-contrast text. Once the app highlights text blocks, tap any block to correct OCR mistakes or select alternate translations. Make sure to switch reading modes, handwritten, printed, or dense layout, so the recognition model matches the text type for improved results. After reviewing and editing, save the translation to your gallery or copy the text to the clipboard for pasting elsewhere. Share directly to messaging apps or cloud storage from the share sheet. If you need reliable performance offline, download the language pack in settings so translations continue without a network. Troubleshooting tip: if recognition fails, recapture with brighter, even lighting, increase image resolution, or crop tightly around a single line.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.